For months, Canadians have been told a return to normal would only begin once a COVID-19 vaccine was approved. At long last, that day has come. Late this morning, Health Canada announced the news that the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine has been approved for use in Canada.
About Health Canada's authorization of the first COVID-19 vaccine in Canada.
Dr. Supriya Sharma, Health Canada's Chief Medical Officer, says this is a milestone in the fight against COVID-19.
Health Canada approved this vaccine through an interim order pathway that allowed us to accelerate the overall review process while still applying our rigorous standards for safety, efficacy, and quality and making our decision based only on science and evidence.
Today, Pfizer says they will be ready to ship vaccines to Canada as soon as they receive the green light from Health Canada to begin distribution. Canada is the third country in the world to approve the Pfizer vaccine, after the UK and Britain, and ahead of the United States. The UK began giving the shots to its citizens yesterday. As those first few citizens are being injected, there are reports that 2 people have suffered allergic reactions.
The people that had the allergic reactions in the UK had other history of other severe allergic reactions. At this point in time, we're not changing our recommendation.
Canada has secured up to 249,000 doses of the shot. Pfizer will fly the vaccine from Europe to Canada, where it will then distribute it to 14 distribution centres across the country. Provinces will decide who gets vaccinated first, but the elderly, those living and working in long-term care facilities, healthcare workers, and Indigenous peoples are being prioritized across the country. Questions still remain on exactly what the national and provincial rollout plans will look like.
As a provincial responsibility, we've been pushing for the federal government to make sure we have the freezers, to have the capacity, to have the distribution, particularly for Indigenous communities.
The vaccine is not recommended for children 16 and under. They'll have to wait for another shot. A second vaccine from Moderna could be approved this month by Health Canada, and the company says it will be ready to ship when that happens. Pfizer says they will be shipping a minimum of 20 million doses and as many as 76 million doses to Canada throughout 2021. Mercedes Stephenson, Global News, Ottawa.